What is up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're gonna do a Monkey's Got Talent, and we have 5 contestants. Count them, 5 contestants. Oh yeah, and we're gonna go see what their talent is. So let's go. May the first monkey please come out.
Yeah, that was not meant to happen. Hello
So
guys.
what is your name and what is your talent?
My name is Pugs and Wolf, and my 40-yard dash time is 6'7", and my height is 6'7", and so I hope my review will be 6'7". So
Okay.
my talent will be called Chaos.
Okay. Oh, that was actually a good talent. Just because you wanted it, 6'7".
Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah!
That's crazy, bro.
6.
Okay, made a second. Okay, you're already here. Okay, gotta unmute you. Everyone, get behind the stick! Get behind the stage and do not mess with the other contestants. Good boy. Kane, what is your name and what is your talent?
My name is Corky Tuna, and my talent is today I'll be showing you guys how to get broccoli.
Okay.
It's pretty simple. You're gonna need a few items. So you're gonna need a backpack. You're gonna need 2 rockets.
Okay. Oh yeah, I need a backpack. 2 rockets. Okay. Where are we going?
Now, follow me. You get up here.
Activate one of the rockets. Go. I'm over here, bro. Big bro. Right here. Okay.
Okay, so then there's a gap right there, but I prefer this one because it's bigger and easier to get through. There's 2 options. You can either, do you want me to take you to Lava Land or there?
There.
Planetarium.
Oh, just
Okay.
because it's broccoli. Okay. Let's
Okay.
go.
All you have to do is jump and then activate the first rocket.
You went the wrong way. I went above it. You're right. Cool.
Did you do it?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, hey guys. Hey bro.
I don't know where you are.
Don't touch the...
So let's go back. Let's go back and get the other contestants. Where you at?
I'm right here and... Oh, okay. So do you know how to go home?
Yeah, I know how to go home.
Okay. No. Open.
Bye bye forever, sir. Definitely didn't have a secret grappler the whole time.
We're back, guys.
Wait for me to turn small before you come out, please. Wait for us to turn small. Turn me back!
Oh,
Okay.
you'll turn back.
Okay, now go back. Go back. Okay, go. Get out of sight. Get out of sight. Get out of sight. Go. Get out of sight. Get out of sight. Go away. Hey. Bad boy. Go. Okay.
Okay, so that was my talent. Everybody have a good day.
Okay. Okay, wait. I gotta mute you. Okay. May the 3rd person come out. The 3rd contestant come out. Where's the third contestant at? Okay, there you are. Okay, there you are. Okay, let me unmute you. Don't talk yet. You're good? What is your name and what is your talent, sir?
You mean my real life name or my gorilla name?
Just say your girl name.
Why, see?
Okay.
Hold on, let me set up my song. Stay here real quick.
Get out. No one did that to you. Get out. I will kick you. I can't kick you. Never mind.
I cannot see my thing, but I'll just sing it.
Okay.
And the night breeze, and the night breeze, and the sea. Stop. And the night breeze. That's all. I need to say that's all.
Okay, just try singing. Just do it like. Okay. Okay. No, wait. Come back here.
Okay.
Oh wait, go back. I gotta unmute him. Then. Okay. Now that was a good performance. Now, fourth person, please come out. Do not talk yet. You may talk. What is your name and what is your talent today? Bro, stop messing with him. What is your name and what is your talent?
My name is Jason and my talent is in the bag.
Okay.
The talent is not the gold revolver. It's in this bag. And look.
Whoa.
Someone gave me this and it can play the same music as the other versions of these because look.
Throw it away.
Throw it your cables. That is my talent.
Okay, good talent. Where you at? Where'd you go? You want your golden revolver back?
Oh, Cyan, you're a little man. You're a little monster man.
Out. Here, where's Yellow at? Yellow, come here. Come back out. Yellow, come back out. Yellow, come back out. Okay.
Kill him. Oh, it's a no FF. It's a no FF.
Okay, you may go back. Go, please do not do anything. Turn the music off, please. Turn the music off.
What's up, bro?
Turn the music off, please.
What's up, guys?
What's up? Who are you?
I'm somebody.
Okay. Please do not wait, where are you? Please don't make any noise or anything. I'm just gonna mute you real quick. Okay. May the fifth contestant please come out. Fifth contestant come out. The fifth contestant come out. Okay, let me unmute you. What is your talent? What is your name and what is your talent?
Alright, my name is Mary Poppins. My talent is, this is my kid that I have to babysit.
No! You need to leave!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, yeah.
No! What is... Dude. Where'd he go? Bro's mentally harassing his person who's babysitting.
It's the best. Oh,
No!
looks like you guys are the Diddy
Don't
party.
do it! Don't do it!
Looks like you guys are in the Mary Poppins party.
Don't do it!
Oh, I will do it.
No! You know what that
Oh, yeah.
deserves? Okay, wait, where's the exit at? Okay, come here, everyone. Everyone, come here. I need everyone to line up in their orders. So we need the cyan first. No, number 1 cyan. The number 1 cyan right here. Right here. Number 1 cyan. Number 2 cyan right beside him. Number 3 red. Red. Red.
Red left.
Oh.
You only got to see your eye.
Okay, come here. Okay, well, we need yellow now. Yellow, come here. Okay, black. There. Okay, stop. Stop.
The Diddy,
Put
I'm
it
Diddy
down.
Poppins.
Hey, get back in your spot. Get back in your spots.
Wait, can you turn around again? Nothing's gonna happen. Oh yeah.
No way.
Whoa, I was totally not gonna open
You need to leave. Get back in your spot. Get back in your spot where I told you to be. Okay, stay there. Stay there. Bro! Stay there! Go back to your spot and I'll give you these back. Okay, so let me unmute everyone. Let me unmute everyone.
Mary Poppins.
Unmute. Stay still,
Hey,
boy.
yo, bro.
Stay still.
My bag back and I'll stay still.
Nah, you have to go back.
But just give me my bag back.
I will.
Bro, I'm a level 10 unk here. I'm a level 10 unk. Hey, kid.
And I'm Mary Poppins.
Hey, kid, what one?
I'm gonna babysit one of your kids.
Okay, wait, everyone. Shh.
Look at this. No.
Listen up. Okay, so wait, what was your performance?
It was 67.
Okay, what was this guy's performance?
Mine was showing you guys how to get broccoli.
What was yours?
Back now?
Wait, go back. What was your
No,
performance?
no, mine was
yours
chaos.
cut.
Mine was chaos.
Yeah, yours
Mine
is
was
chaos.
chaos.
What was your? Okay. We're done. Okay.
Oh,
so
it was
chaos.
69.
So chaos. I gave him a 6-7 because 6-7.
Yeah. Wait, bro. Take one. Now you look like an unk. Now you look
Give
like
it
an
to
unk.
me. No.
No. I was gonna rate you next. I rate him.
Okay.
What was yours? What was your talent again?
Me?
Yeah, what was yours?
Mine was showing you guys how to get broccoli.
Oh yeah. So I rate that one like an 8 because you showed us everything. Because you showed us everything and stuff. So I rate that one an 8.
My bad. I didn't mean to do that.
Okay, yellows was music, and we always hear music. So I'm sorry, bro. I rate that a 7. Okay. Yours. You need to
100.
leave. You need to leave.
I think I got the best rating.
I rate yours a 6-9.
Well, why am I doing that?
Yeah!
So the winner of this one is the broccoli guy.
What?
Yeah.
But I got a 67.
No, I said 6-7.
No,
I said
6.7, that's
You
what
said
he said.
69.
I said 6-9.
6.7.
Ah, come on, cuh.
Okay, so the winner of this one is the broccoli man, wherever he is. Which one are you?
Right here.
Okay, broccoli man. Broccoli man.
Oh, it lit for me. All right, are we doing round 2?
Broccoli man, where you are at?
Round
Can you get me
2.
two of those? Can you
I
get me
always
two of
do
those?
Broccoli
round
man.
2.
Broccoli man.
you get me
Broccoli
two of
man. Broccoli man. How do you feel about winning? How do you feel about me winning?
I feel really good.
Here,
Good.
here's your cigar, because you won.
I feel like
And that completes this video, guys. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.
Make sure if mine was the best. It was the best, clearly.
Okay.
Mine's